Hi, grade threes. In this video, I'm going to review how we name fractions. So let's quickly review what a fraction is. So fractions tell us how many parts of a whole that we have. So when we have something that's a whole, that is not a fraction. But let's say we take this circle and we divide it in half. We want to make sure that our fraction or our circle has been divided equally. So you can see my circle was divided in half equally. And we say that this half of our circle is 1/2, and this is the other half. So our circle has been divided into 2 halves. And we can show the fraction of each piece with a 1 on the top, a line, and then a 2 at the bottom. So this fraction is 1/2, and this other piece of the circle is 1/2. Let's pretend we divided our circle into 3 equal pieces. We would call these pieces thirds. This piece is 1/3, this piece is 1/3, and this piece is 1/3. And we write the fraction as 1/3 for each piece. If we divided our circle into 4 equal pieces, we say that each piece is a fourth. Okay, so this is 1/4, this is a fourth, this is a fourth, and this is a fourth. And you can see the fraction is represented by a 1, then a line, and a 4. If we were to divide our circle into 5 equal pieces, these equal pieces are called fifths. So this is 1/5, this is 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. If we were to divide our circle into 6 or 6 equal pieces, this is what it would look like. And each piece would be equivalent to 1/6 or 1/6 of the whole. Now I don't have a nice fancy circle for sevenths, so I just printed one off and I made one myself. So the circle is divided into 7 equal pieces, and we call these pieces sevenths. This is 1/7, 1/7, 1/7, and so on. Back to our fancy circles. This circle is divided into 8 equal pieces. We call these pieces eighths. Okay, so notice that all of the words end in a TH and an S, except for our first one, which was halves. Okay. So what do you think this circle is divided into? That's right, it's divided into 9 equal parts. We call the equal parts ninths. Each piece is 1/9, and we can show the fraction with a 1, the line, and then the 9 on the bottom. And then lastly, here's my circle divided into 10 equal parts. And each piece is called a tenth. Well, this is 1/10, 1/10, or 1/10. Okay? And that's how we name fractions.